Welcome to this X8R video demonstrating how to install our replacement aerial seal. Before removing the old seal, it is worth masking out the area to prevent any damage to the paintwork. If you cut away a section of the seal, you will then be able to pull on the seal and be able to pull the seal loose from the aerial. Clean around the area where the seal used to fit to remove any remnants of the old seal. You can now fit the new seal, which simply slips over and will slot underneath where the original seal fitted.